It truly is amazing to see so many people come together after such a difficult year. Each and every one of you driven by excellence in the healthcare industry, and excellence is exactly what we're here to celebrate tonight. So before we go any further, for the fantastic audience that you are, for the beautiful setting that we have, I want each and every one of you to give yourselves a big round of applause. Come on, put your hands together, everybody, and give yourselves a round of applause. Fantastic. Now we're here today for a very special evening. The Times Health Icon is a flagship property of the Times Group, and we've been doing this across India for the last 12 years. However, this is the 4th edition in Bhubaneswar. At OMS, we are driven by a proactive and innovative endeavors to infuse a new approach to brand building. The Times Health Icon 21 acts as a fantastic opportunity to get together the finest in the industry. So give yourselves another round of applause, everyone. Come on, put your hands together. And not to forget the endless support of our sponsors. I want you to give them a big round of applause. The Times Health Icon 2021 is presented by Empryo Group, powered by EZ Truck, co-powered by Loom Crafts and Big Cup Cafe. Health partner Sunshine Hospitals, wellness partner Health on Top, diagnostic partner Shri Usha Diagnostics, associate partner Ask for Health and OTT-ET, radio partner 91.9 Sarthak FM, trophy partner Jagannath Enterprise, PR partner Oxin, outdoor partner Torrent Advertisers, event partner Expose Advertising, and this event is supported by Kimji Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our sponsors. Come on, put your hands together, everyone. The first person on stage, he is the Honorable Union Minister, Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the amazing Shri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji. Everyone, a round of applause. I'd like to invite the Director of AIIMS Bhubaneswar, Dr. Gitanjali Batmanavane. Everyone, a round of applause for Dr. Gitanjali's. Before we start this auspicious occasion, everyone, big round of applause. We're going to be doing the lamp lighting while we have a rendition of the Ganesh Vandana.
Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyam Devaha.
We have someone very special, Mr. Biman Datta, the Regional Head of East from Times Group, who would like to felicitate Shri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji and Dr. Gitanjali. A round of applause for Mr. Biman Datta, everyone. Come on, put your hands together. He'd like to say thank you for taking the time out, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for taking the time out and being here. As a token of our appreciation, we'd like to just felicitate you. A round of applause for sir and ma'am. Before we go into any set of awards, I'd like you all to give our real-life heroes a big round of applause. Earnest efforts of the frontline workers, especially doctors, nurses, healthcare staff, sanitization workers. Come on, a round of applause. Police personnel, NGOs, volunteers, and every other corporate and individual who've made this fight against the pandemic that much more bearable. And I'd like to start off by recognizing the special efforts of these few men and women. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to request Shri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji and Dr. Gitanjali to felicitate these amazing COVID warriors as I call them up on stage. We're starting off with our first COVID warrior. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for SUM COVID Hospital. A very special award indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Come on, everyone. The next amazing COVID warrior team, and this one is KIMS COVID Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for KIMS COVID Hospital. Moving into the next COVID warrior, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the amazing High-Tech COVID Hospital. A round of applause and welcome High-Tech COVID Hospital on stage. Big congratulations to High-Tech COVID Hospital. A very special award. Moving into the next COVID warrior, and this one is Ashwini COVID Hospital. A round of applause for Ashwini COVID Hospital, everyone. The amount of hard work they put in converted this hospital to a COVID-19 care center and treated many, many patients across the state. Ashwini COVID Hospital, everyone. A round of applause for the team. Moving into the next COVID warrior that we'd like to felicitate. He's opened a clinic where the patients have to pay just 1 rupee for awaiting treatment. He has contributed immensely during the COVID-19 pandemic. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Shankar Ramchandani on stage. Everyone, a round of applause for Dr. Shankar. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the next COVID warrior I'd like to call on stage is a leading Odia actor. He helped many, many migrant laborers who were stuck in various parts of the country come back home safely during the COVID period. He's put in a lot of effort and taken the time out to make this pandemic much better for these migrant workers. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the amazing Sabyasachi Mishra, everyone. A round of applause, come on. We also have a special felicitation by the team of EZ Truck, who are powered by sponsors. They'd like to give Archita and Sabyasachi something very special. We have another COVID warrior. He has helped thousands of migrant laborers who were walking long distances by distributing food, water, and many more such amenities. He is the amazing Abhinash Khemka, everyone. A round of applause for Abhinash. We all know that COVID-19 was a very difficult time. What have we learned from it, ma'am, and what is in store for us in the future?
Thank you very much for inviting me here, Honorable Minister, Shri Dharmendra Pradhanji, and all the icons who are here, the COVID warriors, as well as all the dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. So if you ask me what are the lessons learned, I think the only thing which I can say is we will persevere and we will come out victorious. That's the main lesson. And if you ask me what we should take forward, we are still not out of the woods. And I think all of us here need to have wear our masks, keep appropriate COVID-appropriate behavior. That is the call of the day. We still are not out of the woods and we need to be careful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A round of applause for Dr. Gitanjali, everyone. Sir, I'd like to ask what your take on the lessons of COVID-19 is and the way forward. Would you like to use the podium, sir?
नमस्कार. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया भुवनेश्वर एडिशन द्वारा प्रायोजित हेल्थ आइकन टाइम्स हेल्थ आइकन भुवनेश्वर चतुर्थ उत्सव रे उपस्थित थिबा एम्स रो आदरणीय डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर गीतांजलि जी, आज ये कार्यक्रम रे उपस्थित थिबा हेल्थ इंडस्ट्री रो समस्त स्टेक होल्डर्स भाई भौणी माने, जो आदरणीय बंधु मानकू कोरोना वारियर मानकू आज सम्मानित करागला, तांको अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा। टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया को गोटे जातीय गणमाध्यम बड़ गणमाध्यम आम ओडिशा रे एई प्रकार उत्सव आयोजन करिक निजर दायित्व निर्वाह करले, तांको भी बहुत धन्यवाद। या द्वारा आम भलिया राज्यर मर्यादा बढ़े और आम राज्यर भल काम गुड़ी को जातीय स्तर रे देखेबार अवसर भी मिले। आप समस्त को शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी। ये भल काम रे जोड़ी हेतिबारु 21 मसीहा आमठू विपद सरी नहीं। विशेषज्ञ मानकर जो मत जे एथर गत थर ठू अधिका व्यापक हबो, किंतु डरिबार किसी कारण नहीं, पैनिक करिबार कौन सी कारण नहीं। कारण एई थर आमे सब जानि सारलेनी। डॉक्टर माने काहाकू केतेबेले रेमडेसिविर देबे, काहाकू केतेबेले प्लाज्मा देबे, काहाकू केतेबेले ऑक्सीजन मपा जीवो, जोटा करिवे डॉक्टर को पचारि के करिवे। गोटे दायित्वबोधता तैयारी करबा। मु पुनर्बार समस्त को शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी। 2021 आहुरी भल हो, आमे समस्त विपद को आहुरी ठीक ठाक से पराजय करबा। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।
Big round of applause. Come on. All right, fantastic. This is the first Times Health Icons 2021 Awards, and this is for the category of path-breaking support during the COVID-19 pandemic. And this award goes to the amazing Dr. Abhinash Samal, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Abhinash Samal. A big round of applause for him. And let's welcome him on stage. Moving into the next Times Health Icons 2021 award winner, and this category is for the most committed bank during the COVID-19 pandemic, and this goes to the State Bank of India, Bhubaneswar Circle. Everyone, a round of applause for Mrs. Ruma De, CGM, Bhubaneswar Circle, and the entire team. Moving into the next category of Times Health Icon Awards, and this is for e-health and telemedicine, and the winner is OTTET. A round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Requesting Managing Trustee K.N. Bhagat and Mr. L.N. Agarwal, the trust member, to collect the award. Moving into the next Times Health Icon Awards, and this one is for modern surgical laparoscopy and minimally invasive surgery, and the award goes to Dr. Aditya Tripathi, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Aditya. Moving into the next category, and this one is for gynecological laparoscopy and infertility, and the winner is Dr. GSS Mohapatro, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Mohapatro. Moving into the next category, and this one is for the cardiology category, and the winner is Dr. J.K. Padhi, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. J.K. Padhi. His entire team is there. Come on, everyone, at that table, make some noise and send sir on stage. And moving into the next category, this one is for surgical gastroenterology and GI oncosurgery, and the winner is the amazing Dr. Salil Parida, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Salil. And moving into the next category, this one is for orthopedics, and the award goes to Dr. Basant Behra, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Basant. Moving into the next category, this one is for level 3 care in emergency and trauma, and the award goes to Dr. Ravi Shankar Katragada, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Ravi. I'm going to move into the next one, and this is for advanced neurosurgery, and the award goes to Dr. Amit Jaiswal, everyone. Congratulations to Dr. Amit, well done. Moving into the next category, and this one is for medical oncology, and the award goes to Dr. Saurav Mishra, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Saurav. And moving into the next category, this one is for pain management, and the award goes to Dr. Shovan Kumar Rath, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Shovan. Moving into the next category, this one is for neuromedicine, and the award goes to Dr. Amitav Rath, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Amitav. Moving into the next category, and this one is for ortho-trauma, and the award goes to Dr. Vikas Agarwal, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Vikas. And the next category we move into is for pediatrics, and the winner is Dr. Ashutosh Mahapatra, everyone. A round of applause for Dr. Ashutosh Mahapatra. Thank you very much, sir. Big round of applause for Shri Dharmendra Pradhanji. Thank you very much, sir. And we have a special mention, the winner of the Times Health Excellence in Gastroenterology and Hepatology, Dr. Ashutosh Mahapatra, is not here with us, but he's the winner, so big congratulations to him. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that the sponsors that we have need no recognition, but I want you to give them a round of applause. Presented by Empryo Group, powered by EZ Truck, co-powered by Loom Crafts and Big Cup Cafe. For those of you who want to get a cup of cafe, the Big Cup Cafe has a small stall outside. The health partner, Sunshine Hospitals, wellness partner, Health and Top, diagnostic partner, Shri Usha Diagnostics, associate partners, Ask for Health and OTT-ET, radio partner, 91.9 Sarthak FM, trophy partner, Jagannath Enterprise, PR partner, Oxin, outdoor partner, Torrent Advertisers, event partner, Expose Advertising, and this event is supported by the Kimji Foundation. A round of applause for our sponsors, everyone. Come on, put your hands together. Put your hands together for the Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Odisha, Shri Nabakishore Das, everyone. A round of applause for Shri Nabakishore Das, requesting sir to please come on stage. And come on, everyone, a big, big round of applause for sir. I'd like to welcome Principal SCB Medical College, Shri Datteshwar Hotaji. Everyone, a round of applause for Shri Datteshwar Hotaji. And gentlemen, before we get into hearing a few words from you, I'd like to request you to felicitate our COVID warriors who we're going to call on stage now. The next COVID warrior that we'd like to felicitate is the amazing Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation. Everyone, a big round of applause for BMC. Request Mr. Basant Mishra, Health Officer, who's going to receive the award on behalf of the BMC Commissioner. The next COVID warrior that I'd like to call on stage is from J Odisha, everyone. A round of applause for Rudra Narayan Samantare, welcoming him on stage. And we have one more COVID warrior who we'd like to recognize on the stage of the Times Health Icons 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Yagnashish Mohapatra, everyone. A round of applause for Yagnashish as he comes onto stage. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce to you this amazing COVID warrior who's done so much remarkable work in the COVID-19 pandemic. This is none other than Miss Nilanjana Mukherjee, everyone. A round of applause for Nilanjana Mukherjee. And this felicitation is supported by Kimji Foundation. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very interesting segment. You just saw Nilanjana come up and collect her COVID warrior certificate. And now she's going to be coming back here to talk to our gentlemen about some very important topic. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Nilanjana and the two gentlemen on stage. Everyone, a round of applause for everyone who's here. And they're going to be talking to us about how the year has been and what is in store for us in future. Over to you, Nilanjana.
So it will be my honor to ask a few questions to our distinguished guests. And to begin with, I would like to question or ask our Honorable Health Minister. Odisha was among the few states in our country who showed commendable planning in forefront of India's fight against this pandemic. Even before the national lockdown, Odisha government acted very fast and imposed the partial lockdown in certain districts. Sir, what was the strategy? How well and how was it implemented? How did you manage it so ably? And what was the unique about the pandemic response team?
Our most popular Chief Minister, Naveen Patnaik, who has a farsight, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ସାରା ଭାରତବର୍ଷରେ ଲକଡାଉନ୍ ହେଇନଥିଲା ତାର ସପ୍ତାହେ ଆଗରୁ ଆମେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲେଜିସ୍ଲେଟିଭ୍ ଆସେମ୍ବଲି ଚାଲୁଥିଲା the leader of the house announced the lockdown in the state. Number one. Can you imagine within a week 30,000 bed immediately in all district level first ame KIMS ebong SOM MOU sign करके तुरंत ताकू करागला. And I must salute the doctors, the medical staff, nurse, police, and in general also support from press, electronics media, and also general people. एवं सबु जगह awareness program करागला. आपनकर जहाँ हेले भी लोगों को मानिबा को पड़िबो कोविड रूल्स टा एवं टीकाकरण टा को हमको आउटिके आगु को बढ़ेबो पड़िबो जेमति आउटिके बेसी नहीं पारिबे. These are the things we can control corona. Thank you.
My next question would be to Dr. Hota. Sir, recovery rates have been higher in India, with death rates being very low. Any reason or any medical study which has been conducted to justify this?
I would basically tell that the death rate is low because the people are coming forward. The awareness program is robust, both by Government of India and also by the Government of Odisha. The proactiveness of the authorities, the hospital authorities, improve public health service. So these are contributed to the early admission, early attendance. Now, in the first phase and in the second phase, what I find as of at present, in the second phase, infection rate is there, but severity is much less. What experience we have in SCB Medical College, Cuttack.
Right, sir. Thank you. Thank you, doctor. I think lesson learned from COVID management is what our topic was today. With the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and our Honorable Health Minister and with eminent personalities like Dr. Hota, I think we tide over the COVID crisis. Thank you very much for being today, sir.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was an amazing panel discussion. A round of applause for all our panelists. Can we have a nice round of applause? Come on, put your hands together, everyone. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're moving into the next segment of Times Health Icon 2021. This category is for the most promising brand in health and wellness, and the award goes to Health on Top. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Health on Top, calling Mr. Gaurav to collect this award. The next category, and this one is for #1 in cosmetic and plastic surgery, dermatology, IVF and fertility, and the award goes to the amazing IMS and SUM Hospital. Please put your hands together for the team of SUM Hospital, and thank you so much, Nabakishorji. A round of applause for Mr. Nabakishorji for coming here and doing the honors. Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the Times Health Icons 2021 just got a whole lot more glamorous. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome onto the stage of the Times Health Icon Awards 2021, the rock star, the superstar. Please put your hands together for the amazing Sunil Shetty, everyone.
कितना बेकार
Welcome, sir. Welcome to Bhubaneswar. The city loves you. How does it feel to be here?
Absolutely brilliant. I love the city. It's my probably fourth or fifth trip, and every time I come here, it looks better and better, prettier and prettier. Whether it's the hospitality, whether it's the people, whether it's the city itself, absolutely gorgeous.
Today is the Times Health Icons 2021. We are commemorating the endless efforts that the healthcare industry and every single COVID warrior has put in the last year. It's been a difficult year. They've really gone out of their comfort zone and helped us. What is your message to them, sir?
You're absolutely brilliant. I mean, that's what they say, true heroes and real heroes. I think a lot of people, there's a lot that we've realized in life, and one of the most important things is standing up for each other, being there for each other, supporting each other. The tough phase still continues. COVID is back, and it's back big even in Maharashtra. And we need to continue to do such kind of work. So thank you all for putting in that effort and making a huge difference.
Let's get into the next set of awards, and this category is the Outstanding COVID Warrior. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Tirupati Panigrahi. Everyone, a round of applause for Dr. Panigrahi. Moving into the next category, and this one is for Outstanding Social Service during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the award goes to Mrs. Nirupama Biswal. Everyone, a round of applause for Mrs. Nirupama. Moving into the next category, and this one is for Urology and Kidney Transplant Surgery, and the award goes to Dr. Biswajit Nanda. Everyone, a round of applause for Dr. Biswajit. Moving into the next category for today, and this one is for Level 3 Care in Cardiology, and the award goes to the amazing High Tech Medical College and Hospital. A big round of applause. Moving into the next category for today, and this one is the Level 3 Care in Gastroenterology and Hepatology, and the award goes to the amazing Kalinga Institute of Medical Sciences. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the awesome team of KIMS. Moving into the next category for today, and this one is Level 3 Care in Emergency and Trauma. And the award goes to Vivekanand Hospitals, everyone, requesting Dr. S.N. Pati, MD of Vivekanand Hospitals, to come on stage to collect the award. Moving into the next category, and this one is for Tertiary Care in Oncology, and the award goes to Health Village Hospitals, everyone. Come on, put your hands together for Health Village. Moving into the next category, and this one is for Preferred Upcoming Multi-Speciality Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is the awesome Sushruta Hospital. Please put your hands together for Dr. Akshay Raut and Mrs. Chidatmika Khatua. Moving into the next category, this one is for Best Diagnostic Laboratory, and the award goes to Genex Diagnostics. Everyone, a round of applause for Dr. Biswajit, Dr. Bikash, and Sunil Kumar. This one is for #1 in oncology in Eastern India, and the award goes to HCG Panda Cancer Hospital, Cuttack. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the entire team. The next category is the #1 in cardiology, nephrology, and multi-speciality, and the award goes to the amazing team of Apollo Hospitals, Bhubaneswar. Everyone, a round of applause. Moving into the next category, and this one is for #2 in nephrology, #3 in multi-speciality, urology, emergency and trauma, and neurology. Ladies and gentlemen, the award winner is the awesome AMRI Hospitals of Bhubaneswar. Put your hands together for Team AMRI. Moving into the next category of awards, and this is for #1 in oncology, and the award goes to Sparsh Hospitals, Bhubaneswar. Round of applause to Team Sparsh. Moving into the next category for the night, and this one is #1 in gynecology, and this award goes to Maternity Care Hospital. Everyone, a big round of applause to the entire team of Maternity Care Hospital. Let's give them a round of applause. Moving into the next category, and this one is Rehabilitation Clinic, the best rehabilitation clinic we're talking about, and the award goes to the Brain Tree, Dr. Laba Oja. Congratulations. And moving into the next award, and this one is for #2 in neurology and #3 in oncology. And the award goes to Utkal Hospital, Bhubaneswar, everyone. A big round of applause for Team Utkal Hospital. This one is for #1 in pediatrics, And the award goes to Jagannath Hospital, Bhubaneswar, everyone. A round of applause for Team Jagannath Hospital. Moving into the next category of awards, and this is #1 in orthopedics, and the award goes to Shri Hospitals, Bhubaneswar. Everyone, a round of applause for Team Shri Hospitals. This one is the #1 in multi-speciality emerging category, and the award goes to, once again, Some Ultimate Medicare, Bhubaneswar. A big round of applause to Some, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we've come to the end of this amazing award ceremony, but this end is only a new beginning in the lives of each and every one of us. Another big round of applause for our sponsors, presented by Emperio Group, powered by EZ Truck, co-powered by Loomcrafts and Big Cup Cafe, health partner Sunshine Hospitals, wellness partner Health on Top, diagnostic partner Shri Usha Diagnostics, associate partners Ask for Health and OTT-ET, radio partner 91.9 Sarthak FM, trophy partner Jagannath Enterprise, PR partner Oxen, outdoor partner Torrent Advertisers, event partner Expose Advertising, and this event is supported by Kimji Foundation. And as the saying goes, all good things come to an end. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of everyone who put this together, this is Anuj Char signing off. Goodbye. See you at the next celebration. Thank you very much.